Hello, friends. We are sharing with you 5 amazing discounted technological products of the week on eBay. We are sure it will interest you. 1. Philips NeoPix Ultra. 2+ projector is only $174 now. This compact yet powerful projector is perfect for creating cinematic entertainment at home. You can take your movie and TV series marathons to the next level with 720p HD resolution and widescreen projection capacity up to 100 inches. Since it is both portable and easy to install, you can use it in your living room or garden whenever you want. A great choice for those looking for an affordable home entertainment solution. Discounted price? $174, won't you? 2. Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds are on sale right now for $128. Thanks to Bose's famous active noise cancelling technology, you can almost completely eliminate background noise, whether you're working in a busy cafe or traveling on public transport. Also, the sound quality is terrific. It maximizes your music listening pleasure with deep bass and clear trebles. With long battery life and a comfortable fitting design, these headphones are ideal for work or play. Discounted price, $128. Run. 3. Red Tigger 4K. Dash cam is one of the best options for in-car security. This camera, currently sold for $79,999, records images at 4K resolution with dual cameras, front and rear. It can also record your trip and provide exact location information with its GPS feature. It comes with a 32GB SD card, so you don't need to buy an additional memory card. With this device, you can secure your vehicle both while parked and on the move. Discounted price, $79.99. 4. Sennheiser CX True, wireless earbuds are just $89.95. With its wireless design and ergonomic structure, it offers comfort even for long-term use. In addition, it provides the opportunity to listen to music uninterruptedly with its battery life of up to 27 hours. Thanks to Sennheiser's famous sound quality, you get clear highs and deep bass. An opportunity not to be missed for those looking for wireless headphones in terms of both sound quality and price performance. Discounted price, $89.95. 5. Finally, for bass lovers, Skullcandy Crusher ANC 2. Wireless headphones are currently $81.92. These headphones allow you to physically feel the music you listen to with sensory-based technology. With the active noise-canceling feature, you can completely isolate yourself from the outside world and enjoy the music. These headphones, which show tremendous performance, especially in low-frequency sounds, are perfect for those who want to feel every detail of the music. Discounted price, $81.22. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel to be informed about new discounts.